Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Laura Wilkie with Down Home with Lemon Pie, and it's curriculum week, and this is the video where I'm going to share with you guys what I'm doing with my kindergartner. Hey guys, real quick, I want to tell you about my new curriculum. It's Hero as a Character, and it is a character-based curriculum that you can use during morning time, tea time, or bedtime. It seamlessly blends science, nature studies, heroes, history, and character traits and skills that you want your kids to learn. So if you haven't had a chance to check it out, head over to my website. It's downhomewithlemonpie.com and check it out for yourself. Okay guys, welcome back. As you can see, we have a little bit of a scenery change. You are joining me today in my dining room. Normally I do the videos in my schoolroom, but today I'm in the dining room, and you can kind of see, I'm at the dining table, and this is kind of how we have it laid out. There's my 3-year-old twins play kitchen. It lives in here too. There's our world map. It has our missionary cards, and then I draw lines to where they're located. And of course our chalkboard, that's our timeline that's gonna be taken down this year so we can restart it with our new curriculum. But anyways, let's get started with my kindergartner. With all of my previous kindergartners that I've had 3 already, and this will be my 4th one, we have used My Father's World for their kindergarten program, but I haven't actually followed it exactly how they've got it laid out. Mostly I just did my own for things for phonics and learning to read and for math. And I just used their program for like the Bible and the science themes because they go hand in hand together. So I was super excited when I started looking into see what kind of new things they had added, and I saw that they added this book here. It's God's Amazing World that they created, and it follows their science themes A to Z, and it has all the biblical aspects as well. So this is going to be kind of our guide, and then I am adding a ton of cool things to go with it, and I have actually planned this entire theme, or this entire year, around an ABC theme. So I'm super excited. Here it shows you what each letter is going to be. And the way it works is each letter is like 1 week. So one theme for a week. Of course, there's only 26 letters, so there's only 26 themes. So we have a longer school year than that. So I have other resources that I'm gonna show you today that I'm adding to kind of fill in all of those other weeks. Okay, but look how cool this book is, guys. Like, this is apple. It has things about the apple, a whole apple. This is some fraction-y things, just kind of cool introductions. This is the Bible verse that goes for the apple theme, and then the whole little explanation or story or application that goes along with that. And then it's got just little things along the way, and it has this for every single theme. I am so excited about doing this because this is the only part of this program that I have actually used every year, and it is wonderful. So I highly recommend this book, guys. Even if you're not doing My Father's World, it's perfect for kindergarten, for your science or whatever, because it ties in God with each of those. So to go along with that, I have our Bible verses that we're going to be doing. We've done this several times in the past. I absolutely love this book. It's My ABC Bible Verses by Susan Hunt, and the way it has them, you've got your Bible verse here, you've got a story that goes along with it so they can kind of see how this looks in real life. It's got some questions to talk about with your kiddos, and then something to pray about, and I just love this. We do this about every other year or so, and I'm excited to bring it back out. Okay guys, I have 2 books. One of them I have wanted for many years, and I'm so excited to add it this year. It is Kindergarten Stories and Morning Talks. We're actually going to slide this into morning time. I have 2 days specifically, and I'll talk about schedules in another video, but I have 2 days specifically that I'm going to be focusing on this book because I love this book. It was written in the I think it was 1894. Let me double check. Yeah, the copyright's 1890, but it was actually written in 94. I'm not sure how all that ties in together, what that exactly means, but that's what it says here. I guess that's when they put it all together in a book form or something. But anyway, I love this. It is so simple. I flipped through it already a few times, and it is like between 1 and 3 little things. Maybe it looks like October has 4 there, but it's done by week. So it doesn't actually start this until the first week of September. And then you can see there's just a couple things for each week. So I have this planned to do 2 times a week. And then it has these precious little old-fashioned photos. Guys, I love this. That's her doll, by the way. It's not a child buried in the ground. Maybe I should clear that up. But I just love this so much. I know my bigger kids are going to get more out of this as well, so I'm excited to add it to morning time so we can all benefit together. I'm also adding this as a story time. This has 36 stories. We have about a 36-week school year, so this will be about 1 a week. And I don't know why I haven't done this one yet. I see it recommended all the time. We just have never done it. So we're going to do it this year. Okay guys, this kind of is a side thing, but it goes with kindergarten, but it doesn't go with the ABC theme that I have going on. But I still want to show you guys this awesome book find that I have found. It's 100 Curious Things to Count, and there are so many reasons why I love this book. But each little section, it has something new for the kids to count. So we've got buttons, we've got beetles, we've got seashells, we've got cats, puppy dogs, feathers, just all kinds of cool things. All right, what I really love, it does have little information here at the bottom, love that. But what I really love about this book is each item has its very own number, okay? Often you will see a book and it will do that for numbers 1 through 10, and then it will go immediately to 20 and just have a collection of 20 items, and then 30. And it actually skips 21, 22, and all of those. And I love that this has every single number throughout the entire book. So they can just sit down with this. We're gonna go over it a few times, but it's also gonna be living in the book basket as something that he can pull out, and he can actually touch it, and it has the number, it has little arrows so they know which number goes with which item. I just love this. I love it, love it, love it. I'm so excited to have found this, and it has real pictures. That's another thing I really love, so I wanted to share with you guys. Okay, so something I also always do with my kindergartners is I do the Usborne Beginners books. I love them so much, and many of them fit perfectly with these themes that are in the My Father's World book. They look like this. They're just cute little hardcovers. You can actually get them in paperback too, but I love the hardcover. And then they have information. They don't take long to go through, you can see, but they have the real life information. So they're still learning a ton as you go through these. I usually do about 2 to 3 2-page spreads a day, and then this book will last about a week. So they're not on information overload, but they have several of the themes that match up perfectly. Farm, elephants, butterflies, frogs. These are all in that same My Father's World book. Horses, sun, and I have a ton more of these. So some of them don't fit a particular theme, and I still wanted to teach them, so I'm adding them in kind of in the holes where I didn't have a theme, or I didn't have a book for that one. In addition to that, we're adding in the Jerry Pallotta books. I love the Jerry Pallotta books. If you're not familiar with them, I'm going to share them with you right now, but it's a whole collection of them, tons of themes, and they're all the whatever alphabet book, okay? So here you've got like F is for fairy, G is for gondola. I just love these. And then it has a little blurb that tells you about that particular item. So this one's all about boats, and you can get, like I said, all the different themes. So I did pick up a bunch of different themes. I picked up animals. I'm not going to show you all of the ones I've got, but I picked up themes I thought my boys would enjoy. Icky bug, construction, ocean, And they're all the alphabet books. Airplane, vegetable, which is actually one of the themes in the My Father's World curriculum, but I don't have an Usborne book to go with that, so that's perfect. Anyways, that is what we're going to be doing. That's kind of our main core stuff that we're going to be doing with weekly themes, ABCs. However, I wanted to continue that ABC theme to even our read-alouds, because last year I made a whole list of all the classic read-alouds that I wanted us to read together. Caps for Sale, Blueberries for Sale, all the old classics. And we read through all of those already. So this year we're going to use our ABC books as our kind of our story times. So I picked up several Bible ABCs, People of the Word, and you've got all the little blurbs that go with those. One of my favorites. I love this one so much. She goes to Market Street and she buys all the things, but each thing she gets like a whole new costume of her wearing them. It's just so stinking cute. I love the illustrations. The kids do too. They think they're hilarious. So that one. Let's see. Let me show you some more of the picture books. This one is brand new to me. I had not seen it before and I absolutely love it. So many bunnies, bedtime ABC. It's going to be perfect. This mama has 26 babies. Each one has a different letter of the alphabet for its name. So, and then that's also where they sleep. It kind of rhymes together. So 3 was for Carol. She slept in a barrel. 4 was for Dee. She slept in a tree. 5 was named Ellis. He slept on the trellis. It's just so cute. You've got phonics, you've got counting, you've got the ABCs, you've got rhyming. It's just so cute. Love this one. Okay, the next one I know my big kids are even going to enjoy, The Perfectly Orderly House. This lady has organized her house by what letter things start with. So she has all the things that start with A in the attic, all the things that start with B in the basement, and so on. It is hilarious. It's kind of a bigger kid book, but I know they're all gonna really get a lot out of it. It's just a funny book. So I'm excited about that one. If you have been watching my book outlet orders, you know I've been collecting book outlet books, and some of those are for this curriculum. And this was one of the ones that was for this curriculum. It's Mr. and Mrs. Mouse and Their Magical Alphabet House. Love this. It's a look and find, so it's perfect again for the book basket. What I really love about this, I talked about it in that same video, is that it has the picture of the thing they're supposed to find, not just the word, because often the kids that are interested in these kinds of things cannot read. So when it just has the word, they don't even know what to look for. So they can't do them on their own. I love that the pictures are actual items. I just love it. Anyway, gonna add that to our collection. Piero's ABC Garden. This one has been in our home for years. It is a classic, an old-timey classic, so just going to be adding this one as one of our read-alouds that we're gonna rereading. This one too, Alpha Bears, again, another very old classic with the classic pictures, just love it. So there's some fun read-alouds. This one too is kind of a good one for the book basket. Again, from Book Outlet. If you have not tried them, the link's below in the description of this video. Love it, love it. The pictures are beautiful. It's just gorgeous the way they've done it. So I wanted to share with that. I do have a few specialty themes that I'm going to be adding in kind of as the whole family, kind of family themes, but they're still ABC based. The first one, probably in the month of November, is bucket filling from A to Z. Just ways that we can be kind and help others. D for donate, being excited, being a hero, inviting people to do things, being joyful and kind. So that's gonna be kind of a morning time book that we'll do as a family. Of course, I pulled out our I Spy and Alphabet in Art. Love this one too, because we are getting exposure. We do Charlotte Mason. We're getting exposure to those paintings. So you just look at the picture with your child and you find something in the picture that starts with these letters. It's just a really good way to expose them to some great art. So adding that kind of as an art study. The next one goes perfectly with our curriculum. If you saw my curriculum video, so excited to add this one because we're going to be studying a lot about like the biblical feasts and the holidays and Jewish things in the Bible, that kind of stuff. So I picked up this. There's a whole series of these kinds of books. They're all different. I picked up a few, but I'm going to show you two of them. This is A is for Abraham, a Jewish family alphabet. And what I love about these books is you not only get, so you've got B, right? Then you've got like a small part that you can do like with your little ones, and then a more in-depth description or explanation that you can do with your bigger ones. So it fits for multiple age groups. You could get them and do, 1 year, like just do that part, and the next year do this. For our family, because I have a mixed age group, we're gonna be doing both. But I just love them. Okay, in that same series, I picked up this one too. It's V is for Von Trapp, a musical family alphabet. It is about the characters that The Sound of Music is based on. So I'm so excited. I've already flipped through some of this and I did not realize how different their actual lives were from the movie. So I'm excited. My girls love this movie. So we're gonna be going through this together. Again, it has the small part that they can read or the bigger part. And again, we'll probably do both. But I'm just excited to kind of add it. Also, we have a large family and this is a large family, so my kids are kind of drawn to that kind of stuff. All right, two more books, hang in there. I know it's getting kind of long, but I picked up this one. My Father's World does a lot of focusing on missionaries and helping others around the world who know the gospel. And I love that. And we did a whole school year of that last year with exploring countries and cultures. You can go back and see all the videos because I did videos for that constantly. But I wanted to continue that. So I picked up this, A Book of Bibleless People from A to Z. And each one, it has here where they all live and you can find them. But each one has kind of a little blurb and information about that particular group. You can choose a week and do one a week and pray for them or whatever, however you want to do it. But I am just so excited. As far as I know, this book is still current and up to date, and these people are still looking for the Bible. So I am excited about that. I'm excited to kind of dive into this and kind of reach our children's hearts. And one more, we do not do homeschool during Christmas time, but I did want to continue this theme because why not? So I picked up a beautiful Christmas alphabet, and this one has old like postcards or photographs or something, I don't even know, for each letter. And it's just real short, kind of a coffee table book or something to pull out. But the pictures are just, they tugged at my heart, so I had to snag this one too. I got most of these on Thrift Books, so if you guys haven't used Thrift Books, go check that out. The link is below. But it is just so cute. So cute, guys. They're just classic. They give you that kind of vintage feel, warm and cozy. All right, guys, that is what we are doing with kindergarten, whole ABC themed curriculum. If you missed some of my videos, I did new videos this whole week. This is the last one. But if you missed the ones, like if you're wondering what is she doing for math and for teaching her kindergartner to read, that is in the video I released yesterday. So go back and find that one. I also released a video showing what my second grader's doing, my third grader, my fifth grader, what we're adding on to our family curriculum and what our family curriculum is. So if you want to go back and check out all those videos, I would love it. Check back next week because I'm going to be showing you guys some hands-on learning things that we're going to be using in our home as well for this school year. All right, guys, thanks for watching.